How to backtrack on Bumble. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can backtrack someone on Bumble. So first of all, let me demonstrate what backtracking means. So to do that, first of all, open your Bumble app and then make sure you are logged into your Bumble account. Now once you've logged into your Bumble account, you will be taken to the homepage of Bumble where you will be able to see the profile of all of the different people. So in order to like them, you'll have to swipe right. And let's say you keep on swiping right due to your mood. And let's say you missed someone you like. Now in order to undo, you'll have to tap on this button right over here. Now this option is called backtrack, but if you are a free user just like me, you won't be able to undo or backtrack. So in order to backtrack on Bumble, you'll have to get the boost, Bumble Boost or the Bumble Premium. So only after you have the Bumble Premium, you will be able to backtrack and then undo the likes and view the people you've mistakenly swiped left by accident. So that is the only way on how you can backtrack on Bumble as of now. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.